I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need to start by verifying exactly which Office 2010 edition you have and that your product key is correct. This prevents wasted steps. Once done, make sure Windows updates, system date/time, and internet access are working because activation requires validation. Next, run any Office app as administrator to allow changes, and temporarily disable third-party antivirus or firewall that can block activation. These steps set up the environment so activation attempts won't fail due to basic system or permission issues. Now you'll run the activation wizard. Open any Office app, go to File, Help, then Activate Product and follow prompts. If online activation fails, choose the phone activation option and follow the automated steps. Keep your installation ID handy. Next, run a repair from Control Panel programs, change repair to fix corrupted files that block activation. If remnants of older Office versions persist, remove them with the official removal tool or carefully clean specific registry keys to eliminate conflicts before retrying activation. Finish by rebooting the system, then open an Office app and attempt activation again. Once successful, apply Office updates to prevent regression. If you still get errors, run slmgr, VBS and Office's OSP, VBS scripts to display license status and error codes so you know exactly what's failing. Make sure to note any numeric error codes, they speed up solutions. One key troubleshooting tip: if activation repeatedly fails, create a new local administrator account and try activation there. This isolates profile corruption as the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.